I'm on fire right now.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Amir Views here. I'm back with another video, man. Back with another banger. Back to open the mind. Let's get straight into it. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and comment down below what type of videos you guys want me to do, man. I would love to hear y'all feedback. You know what I'm saying? I would love to hear what y'all think about the video, and we can just talk. You know what I'm saying? So I'm always down for it. Just leaving the comments feel free. You know what I'm saying? No pressure. And like I said before, hit that subscribe button, man. It's free. It helps me out a ton. And you know what I'm saying? I love all my supporters. Definitely. But let's get right into the topic, man. So today's video is about your friends aren't really your friends. Like, I'm going to just be 100% blunt with you, man. In today's society, 9 times out of 10, the people you call your homies, your dogs, you know what I'm saying, if you're a girl, your homegirls, you know what I'm saying, the people you call a gang, or, you know, the people you hang around with at school or whatever, they not really your friends. They not really your friends, y'all, because if they were your friends, if they really was a ride or die, if they really got your back to the end, if they really have the same interest in you, like, you know, the same mindset as you, they wouldn't do weird stuff. They wouldn't do snake stuff behind your back. They wouldn't do snake stuff in front of you. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever realized you chilling, you chilling with your homies or whatever, y'all just kicking it, whatever, y'all listen to music, you know what I'm saying? Y'all doing whatever, right? And some females come around, right? And it's always that one homie. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's always that one homie that always start acting weird and start doing extra stuff in front of the females, man. As soon as they come around, y'all was just chilling. Y'all was just kicking it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all was just talking about life, doing whatever, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what the homies do. But as soon as the females come around, it could be 1, it could be 5. As soon as the females come around, he start going crazy. He start wanting to play fight with you. He start wanting to, you know, do crazy stuff, put you in a headlock, you know what I'm saying? He started bringing up your insecurities. He started making fun of you. Be like, oh, yo, bro, you remember like 3 years ago, we had that sleepover, bro, and you pissed the bed or whatever. You remember that, bro? That was crazy. Just for the female to laugh. And she not really laughing because she find him funny and she like, oh, that's somebody I might want to mess with. She laughing because she's embarrassed for the dude that's making fun of the guy. Because, like, if you really think about it, if a girl saw a dude making fun of her homies, or making fun of his homies, why would she be attracted to that? Now, some girls are. I'm not gonna lie. Some girls are. But 9 times out of 10, a girl gonna look at the dude like, bro, why are you doing that? Why are you being extra? Because 9 times out of 10, 8 times out of 10, the girls don't like the extra guys that be doing the most extra stuff to get the female attention. Now, you can have an outgoing personality. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to have an outgoing personality or, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. You get what I'm saying? But the guys that be so extra just to get her attention, 9 out of 10, the girls don't like that, man. And if they do put on that front, they just gonna use you for attention. They gonna use you for your time, money, and attention, man. That's it. That's really it. They don't really want nothing serious with you. Back on topic, man. Y'all ever realize that homie, man? He not really your friend. He not really your homie. He not really your day one. He not really that guy that you know what I'm saying, that's gonna be your best man at your wedding. Because if he really was your homie, if he really got your back for real, when times get tough, he wouldn't do some weird stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You guys gotta watch out for the signs, man. You guys gotta watch out for that. Or think about it, like, say y'all out, right? And you ain't got no bread on you right now, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever. You might be low and y'all getting some food or whatever. And he really, like, he ain't say, oh, bro, don't worry about it, I got you. Just pay me back whenever, bro. You know what I'm saying? He not like that. He not like that. He ain't say that. He was like, he say something like, oh, bro, you ain't got no bread, bro, you ain't get no food or whatever. And he ordered his food, right? Knowing you ain't got no bread right now, right? He ordered his food and he eat that food in front of you. That, without even sharing, without even offering nothing, man. That's not really your homie, bro. That's not really your homie, because you know you would do that for him. You know if he didn't have no bread on him right now, you would buy him some lunch real quick. You know what I'm saying? Be like, oh, you could pay me back, man. You don't gotta get him you can give him a time limit, or you be like, man, pay me back whenever, bro. You like family. But he ain't do that. He ain't do that because he not really your homie, bro. He not really your homie. He either hanging out with you to get something out of you, bro, or, I mean, he just trying to snake you. And it's people like that, man. You guys gotta realize that this world is not all sunshine and roses, man. It's a tough, cruel world. It'll eat you and spit you right back out, man. It do not care. It don't care who you are. It don't care who you. That's why you gotta find some real solid day one dudes that you can hang around, that you can depend on, that you could call for $100 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? You could rely on him if you ain't got no bread right now. He gonna buy you some food. He gonna buy you a little drink or whatever. And you know you'll do the same thing back. You gotta do the same thing back, right? Man, it's crazy, man. Your friends aren't really your friends, man. They really not. They really not. Say you in school or whatever, and you know what I'm saying? Say something happened, right? Say like a fight break out, and he got into the fight. And you was around him because you know it's your homie, right? You was around him, right? And the principal called him in, and it's like, the principal's like, so who started the fight? Jason. We're gonna make up a random man. He gonna be like, who started the fight, Jason? And he gonna be like, I'm gonna be honest with you, principal, whatever, blah blah blah. Amir started the fight. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Because he started the fight now. He swung first. He swung first on the dude. But he gonna be like, oh, Amir started the fight, and then I jumped in, you know what I'm saying, to try to break it up, right? That's not really your friend. Because if he was, he would take that ownership and be like, you know what, principal, I started the fight. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what got into me or whatever. But he not gonna throw you under the bus so he can take the high road. That's not really your homie, man. I don't care what situation it is. If you did the crime, you gotta do the time, man. Don't throw your homies under the bus if they really mean that something to you. It's homies like that, man. And I know somebody out there is probably like, yo, I had a situation like that. He threw me under the bus. But I was like, oh, it's whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a one-time thing. Maybe I would have did the same thing. Nah, man, don't try to make excuses for that. Don't try to gaslight yourself into thinking that's cool. Come on, man. He not really your friend. He really threw you under the bus so he won't get no suspension. You know what I'm saying? So he won't get in trouble. Just so he can take the high road. You see what I'm saying? Just so he can take the high road, he threw you under the bus. He threw his gang under the bus. His homie, his day one under the bus. Really? Come on now, man. Like I said before, man, these girls, they not really your friends, man. That's why you really gotta take the time to really get to know your friends. Nowadays, people don't even know who their friends are. They don't know their last name. They don't know their parents' name. They don't know none of this, man. They don't know when their birthday is, bro. Some homies don't even know when their birthday is, man. That's why you gotta really get to know these people. Just like how you get to know these girls. Just like how for the girls, just like you get to know these guys. You gotta get to know your friends, man, because you're gonna be spending a lot of time with them. 9 times out of 10, you gonna be chilling with them a lot. You know what I'm saying? And it's really important, man. It's really important. And instead of doing low-level things all the time, every time y'all get together, you'll realize, like, every time y'all get together or whatever, those couple friends always want to smoke. They always want to drink. You know what I'm saying? They always want to do low-level things all the time. Every single time y'all link, every time y'all get together. Nah, they not people you need to hang around with. They're not people you need to extend your energy to, your time to. You feel what I'm saying? Your love to. Those are not the people you give that to. Because if they want to do that every time, and when I say every time, I mean every single time y'all get together, every single time y'all hang out, every single time y'all go out, every single time y'all go out on a function, to the mall, you know what I'm saying? Every single time they want to try to get a girl. Like, bro, why is your focus so mainly on girls, bro? Just spend time with your homies. That's why y'all came out. That's why y'all got together. That's why y'all called up. Okay, we back with it. Had a little technical difficulties, you feel me? But back to what I was saying, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, every time y'all go out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all made plans to go to the mall to chill with chill with the guys. Every single time, they want to be like, oh, bro, go to that girl, bro. Try to talk to that girl. I'm about to go up to this girl. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on, man. You don't even know your homie's last name, and you worry about some chicken heads, bro. Those people, when you see qualities in your homies like that, bro, you gotta really start to think, man. Is this somebody I could do successful things? Is this somebody I can make money with, and I can really trust him with this? You know what I'm saying? I can really trust him with owning a business together or something like that. You know, think bigger than that, man. Start really evaluating your friends, because your friends, your homies, your gang, they not really your homies, bro. They not really that, bro. They not really that. No, bro. No, bro. Every single time y'all get together, they wanna try to drink. They wanna try to smoke, bro. No, bro. Yeah, they always wanna be on low level things, man. Same thing with the girls, man. If you want a high level girl, if you want a high level female, you know what I'm saying, a girl that's on her purpose, on her grind, patient, all that good stuff, why do you have low level friends too? You know what I'm saying? So it's like this, trying to balance out. And 9 times out of 10, you're gonna fall for that low level thing. You go right back to where you was. Now you're gonna lose a high level girl, and you're gonna lose yourself first and foremost. Who you surround yourself with is very important, y'all. You're a product of your environment. Y'all heard the saying, product of your environment. Same thing, you know what I'm saying? For example, right? Say you got a girl, right, and all her friends, they HOEs. They wanna go out every single weekend. You know what I'm saying? They always want to do a 2-man. You feel me? They talking to like 50 other guys, you know what I'm saying? Why do you think your girl not doing the same thing? Because that's who she hang out with. That's her homegirls, right? So what makes you think your girl not doing the same exact thing? Maybe not all of it, but she doing a little bit of it. Because she's a product of her environment. If her friends are HOEs, what makes you think she not an HOE? You feel me? You get what I'm saying? So the same thing with you, bro. If you hang around with low-level dudes, if you hang out with homies that's always bringing you down, always talking down on you, you feel me? And I was cool. I'm not saying don't be so uptight. You know what I'm saying? I joke around with my homies all the time, but I'm starting to learn that we getting older, and we starting to take those jokes seriously. We starting to take those jokes more seriously, man. We starting to become 18, 19, 20 years old, you know what I'm saying, soon. And we gonna take those seriously, man. And that could get dangerous, right? So jokes is fun. You know, jokes is all fun and games and stuff like that. But really be mindful on how you say those jokes. Really be mindful of what you say about with those jokes. You feel me? Because you never know, man. Don't make fun of your homie about his insecurities, man. Don't do that. Because you know he insecure about that. You know he insecure about his acne or whatever. Don't make fun of his acne. Don't make fun of that, bro. Come on, man. Because if you had acne, bad acne, wow, would you want your homie to make fun of you? No, you'll go home and be like, damn, bro, they make fun of my acne, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You start overthinking and stuff like that. So don't do that, man. Be careful how the jokes you say. Be careful what you say to your homies and stuff like that. Because, you know what I'm saying, society doesn't really care about young men and men's mental health and stuff, but that is real, man. It's real. It's real. And we don't express it really. We don't have nobody to really express it to. And if we do, we want to feel like they really understand us, you feel me? But we don't want to feel like if we say it, we're going to get made fun of and stuff like that. You feel what I'm saying? So like I said, man, be careful who you surround yourself with, right? If your girl got friends out of HOEs, start thinking, why are her friends like that? She got to be a product of her environment. You feel me? Don't just assume, but really think about it. All her friends are like that. All her friends are like that. All her friends want to do 2-mans every other weekend. All her friends want to go to the club every weekend. All her friends want to go to the party every weekend. Come on, man. You got to be careful with that. Same thing with your homies. You got to be careful with that, bro. You got to be careful with that. But that's really it for today's video, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little warning, man. Give y'all a little, just highlight this situation, because I've seen a lot of homies, you know, stab each other in the back. And it was clear signs of it coming, but y'all just ignored the signs, just how y'all ignored the signs with y'all girlfriends, with these females, man. Really be careful with your homies, who you really call your homies, your family, you know what I'm saying, your gang. Because 9 times out of 10, it's not really what it appears to be, man. But that's all I got for the video, man. Be careful, man. Stay safe out there, man. And stay disciplined, or you will be disciplined. Amir Views, man. I'm out. I see y'all Friday. Till the minds meet again, baby. Let's go.